गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
His Divine Grace Tirtha Goswami Maharaj Baba, a genius par excellence, mastered all scriptures at an extremely young age and delivered his first discourse on Kathopanishad at the age of 15. Though he completed his post-graduation in English and philosophy, his spiritual urge and missionary zeal led him to his guru, Srila Bhakti Prabhana Damodar Goswami Maharaj, who initiated him as a sannyasi in 1950 on Magh Purnima Day. An embodiment of love and compassion, Baba brings smiles to those suffering from physical pain by giving tulsi and charnamrit and even taking on himself the ailments. Parabrahman itself has taken the embodiment of Baba for the welfare and well-being of the people. His eloquent speeches spreading teachings of Vaishnavic Bhakti culture, carrying the eternal message of love, was won him a large number of non-Hindu disciples. During his tour to Gulf states, Cambridge University, Nottingham, Birmingham, Leicester and Albert Hall, London, Baba's life is indeed a saga of extraordinary spiritual riches and immeasurable bhakti to the Lord, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The divine shaligrams and rare treaties at Bhubaneswar ashramas give a glimpse of God's grace on Baba.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्य यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ जमा कुसुम संकाश प्रकाशम् काशपेयं महाद्युतिम् ध्वन्तारिं सर्वपापघ्न प्रणतोऽस्मि दिवाकरम्।
अखण्डमण्डलाकार व्याप्तं येन चराचरम् तत्पदं दर्शितयेन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः।
Those of us whose life has been touched by His divine grace, Nitya Leela Pravistha, Om Vishnupada, Ekasatascha, Tridandi Swami, Sri Srimat Bhakti Shravanatritha Goswami Maharaj, lovingly called Baba by his devotees, know that life can never be the same again. For we have been touched by the highest form of love, compassion, and a divinity that walked the earth. Baba was a realized soul whose mission on earth was to remind us of our eternal relationship with our Master, with our Lord. Baba's entire life was a lesson in tireless service. To the ailing and the ill, he gave the gift of health. To the unhappy and the lost, he gave joy and hope. To the suffering, he gave comfort and solace. And to the spiritual seekers, he gave himself. Baba always said, if we want to serve the Lord, serve His hungry and His suffering children. The gift of health is the greatest gift of all, for Swasthya Seva is Parama Seva. It was in 1986 that Baba established Sri Gauranga Seva Sadan, which soon became the epicenter of Baba's mission to alleviate human suffering. A mobile dispensary was introduced in 2001 to provide free medical service to those living in inaccessible and remote villages, and to the poor and the needy mass through medical camps where doctors worked devotedly. At these camps, medicines were dispensed and eye surgeries, then permitted, were conducted free of cost. Baba himself went to these remote villages several times, giving hope and solace. The picture of Baba's smiling face that always travels with the mobile dispensary has become the most welcome and sought after, for people believe that Baba's blessings were more potent than the medicines. Baba's words were, "We as Indians have a duty towards our nation. Religious disharmony, crime and poverty have disabled us to such a degree that my heart cries out for this great country. Let us all get together and stand united and fight against the negative and evil forces which are trying to cripple our system." Baba's life has been a saga of honesty, compassion, love, integrity, courage, and humanitarian service. Knowing Baba is loving him, and loving him meant serving him. Today, Baba is not physically present with us, but every devotee knows he's always there, guiding our every step.
त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव
त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव
त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव
त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धु सखा त्वमेव
त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव
त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव
त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव